Pastora Ate Resi Abalos.
Hallelujah! Yung mga bishop po na yan, kanina lang po sila na-ordain. Nung papunta po kami dito sa bundok, in-ordain sila ni Sister Stella. Instant. Sabi ni Pastor Joel, madali daw lahat ngayon. Kaya bago sila bumaba, naging bishop na sila. Noong nag-usap po kami ni Pastor Joel, nag-aral ako ng maraming bagay na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Pero kanina po, nung umapasok po ako sa church na ito, sabi ko, nasa langit na po ba kami, Lord? Yung buhay po natin lahat ay bukas sa lahat ng tao at sa lahat ng nakakakilala po sa amin. Ako po personally, meron po akong naranasan na hindi ko masyadong sinishare. Dahil nakakalungkot po, ayoko po mag-iwan ng tanong sa mga kapwa ko. Pero meron po ako isang naranasan na hinanap ko po ang Diyos. Sabi ko, Lord, nasaan ka ba talaga? Meron po akong naranasan na 3 gabi. Parang, maybe God is not missing, but God was so silent. 3 days or 3 nights in the hands of such an ethics committee. All I heard were accusations, were judgments, and I was looking for God. Sabi ko, Lord, are you still there? Nandiyan ka pa ba? Many years na rin yung medyo matagal na rin. Pero alam niyo po ba, ngayong araw na to, I was so blessed pagpasok ko sa church na ito. Dahil yung pong katanungan ko na yun ay biglang nabura. Because hindi pa ako nakakapasok dito, I felt that God is here. Gusto ko po sabihin sa inyo na maraming salamat sa buhay ninyo. Dahil bigla po nabura yun. Simula po ngayong araw na to, binura ng presensya ng Diyos sa lugar na ito yung katanungan ko po ngayon. And I will never ask that question again because God is here. Hallelujah. Those were the nights of struggles. Nagkakaroon po kasing tanggapin na yung lahat ng ginawa mo bigla bumaliktad. Ang hirap-hirap kong tanggapin. Magkakasama po kami lahat, kilala nila ako lahat. All I planted was love. Pero baliktad po yung inani ko eh. Pero salamat po sa biyaya ng Diyos. Nabura na po lahat yun. At hindi ko na ulit hahanapin ng Diyos. Because God is here. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Habang ang presensya po ay nandito, lahat po ng may sakit at karamdaman tumakbo po kayo sa akin. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. To the music ministry, the Lord is telling you that you will be going places. You will be God's carrier of His light, of His grace. You will be carrier carrier of His grace and of His love. Lay your hands now upon this music, ministers. Vision for you. You will carry the grace of God. And the young people will imitate you. Because they see Jesus in you. Ora bababakande. Ora bababakaya. Nothing is impossible with your God. You will be a carrier of His grace. Because you can no longer contain the grace of God. You have to go. You have to come out. You have to release. And you have to share what the grace of God is doing to you. Hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. 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 Fear not, my child. I have ordained you to proclaim, to shout the praises of God. Hallelujah. The Lord has trained His hands for battle. And you will carry the grace and the light of God. You will minister the praises of God. And all of these people, hallelujah. Pura bababakandi. Pura bababakandi. Hallelujah. God is settling everything that concerns your life. And even a small burden, your God is settling it. Pura bababakandi. Hallelujah.